Welcome to propertiesHere.com.
Now we are going to see about the soil properties prediction for agriculture using machine learning techniques. Then we are going to see about the overview of our process. The main objective of our project is to predict the soil properties, as well as we have to recommend the crop based on predicted soil properties using machine learning algorithms. Information about soil properties helps the farmer to do effective and efficient farming and yield more crops with less usage of resources. An attempt has been made in this project to predict the soil properties using machine learning approaches. The main properties of soil prediction are calcium, phosphorus, pH, soil, organic carbon, and sand. So, there is a need for accurate fertilizer recommendations for the farmer and accurately analyzing soil properties. Here, we can predict the soil properties as well as recommend the crop based on soil properties using machine learning. The system is developed the machine learning algorithms such as random forest regression and ridge regression. So this is the overview of our process. Then we are going to see about the flow of our process. So this is the flow diagram. First we have to take your dataset. The dataset name is soil properties dataset. The dataset was collected from some dataset repository like UCI, GitHub, Kaggle, and so on. Then we have to select your input dataset with the help of pandas package. After that we have to implement the pre-processing step. So here we have to check any missing values is present in your dataset. If you have any missing values, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros. Why we are checking missing values? For avoid wrong prediction. Then we have to drop unwanted columns. If you have any unnecessary columns in your dataset, means in prayerly we have to drop that unnecessary columns. Then the pre-processed data are carry out to data splitting module. Here we have to split your whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. With the help of this we have to classify your data set. So the data splitting perform based on ratio 70 is to 30 or 80 is to 20. So based on this ratio we have to split your data set. Then the splitted data are carried out to classification module. Here we have to implement different ML techniques, that is the random forest regression and ridge regression. So with the help of this algorithm we have to predict the soil properties as well as we have to recommend the crop based on predicted soil properties. Then we have to estimate some performance metrics like accuracy and then some error values. So the error values must be low. If your error values is low, means your model is efficient. Then we have to compare the two algorithms, which one is efficient. So this is the flow of our diagram. Okay, this is the output part, that is the demo part. Output of soil properties prediction. We are running our process in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. This is the first model, that is the data selection. Here we are selected your sample of data. We have selected your input dataset with the help of pandas package. After that, in console we are displayed some sample of data from your dataset. After that pre-processing, here we have to check any missing values. So here 0 indicates there is no missing values in particular column. Then data splitting, here we have to split your whole dataset into test and train. So this is the total number of data. After training and testing, the data is splitted like this. Then we are implemented classification algorithm. So here we are implemented two different algorithms, that is the ridge regression and random forest regression. So this is the result for ridge and random forest. So in regression means we have to estimate some error values. The error values must be low. So this is the mean square error and root mean square error values for both algorithms. Then prediction. So here we have to predict the soil properties for some sample of data, that is the 10 data. After that we have to give some inputs, it will be prediction the soil properties. Then we have to recommend the crop for predicted soil properties. Then it is the comparison graph for both algorithms, that is the ridge regression and random forest regression. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.